Hi everyone, I'm Suzanne and I'm the owner of the Refining Room. You might be familiar with our consignment store, but are you familiar with our design services? If not, we've got some videos that we put together to show you what we do, some of the projects we work on, and what we can do for you. So follow along and see what we've got. This first one is called Downsizing Design. Are you ready to see the new space?